Hey, how's it going, guys? Matt back here with another video. Today's video is going to be really short in that we're just taking out the spare tire. So I've been asked a couple times how to remove the spare tire from underneath the bed of your Tacoma. First thing you're going to want to do is open up your rear passenger. You have this little latch here. You're going to have your spare tire kit in here. You're going to pull this bad boy out. All right. We'll open up our bed here. All right, so once you have everything out, you're gonna wanna put all these pieces together. So 1, 2, this will go all the way at the end. We'll do that now. All right, so when it's all together, it's gonna look something like this. So what we'll do now is take this guy up, pick our bed up. We're gonna put this guy within this shaft here, this little hole. You're just gonna keep working your way through until you find that latch. All right, guys, so once you got it in there, you're gonna wanna go lefty-loosey and then righty-tighty. So counterclockwise to release the tire from beneath here. We'll do that now. All right, so once you have the tire completely on the ground, release some of the tension on the chain. And what you're gonna wanna then do is just reach in there and just pull that bad boy out. Your spare tire is good to go. And if you're like me and you're deleting the tire from under the bed, what you're gonna wanna do is remove all the slack from this chain right here and then route it around this bad boy here. Kind of snug this up on there. Then what you can do to keep this chain from bouncing around everywhere is you can throw bits of tape here, one here, and keep it nice and tight to the frame here. Guys, that pretty much wraps up the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Anything Tacoma related. If I can't figure it out, I definitely know someone that can. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.